I got a push mower, self-propelled mower that was stored for the winter, ran the gas out of it, emptied the fuel tank, and went to start it this spring and it wouldn't start. So what I did is, and you can try this too, is you can tip the mower. Well, first let's try to start it. It's not getting fuel, and I think what the problem is the float in the carburetor stuck. So what you can try is you can tip the mower up and see if you can unstick that float. And then start it. And it quit again. So what's happening is I'm tipping it up, it's filling the bowl and running, but the needle valve must be clogged. So I'm going to try one other thing. I'm going to tap on the carburetor and see if I can free it that way. Otherwise we'll have to take the carburetor off and clean it real quick. I'm going to take the air filter cover off. And we'll tap on the carburetor. The carburetor's right here. And I can tap on the bowl. Sometimes you can unstick them that way. And we'll try to start it one more time. Looks like that took care of it for us. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.